Chapter 2, Section 3, Chemical Compounds. Again, a compound is just another type of pure substance. So let's talk about chemical compounds and a molecule for that matter. A chemical compound is a pure substance of atoms combined in a definite fixed ratio. So for example, we have water. Water is always going to be 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. That's what makes water water. Okay. Once elements combine to form a compound, though, the properties of the individual elements are replaced by the properties of the compound. And you're going, what does that mean? Think about something you are very familiar with. Table salt. Salt on your French fries, for example. Well, what is table salt made out of? It's made out of sodium, first off. Sodium is a metal. And when you put that metal in water, it actually is very, very reactive and can even cause an explosion. Chlorine is the second part of table salt, sodium chloride. The chlorine is a very, very poisonous, deadly gas. So think about that. You have an explosive metal and a very poisonous gas. But if you put the two of them together and form a molecule of sodium chloride, table salt, you eat that on your French fries. In fact, it is the most commonly used flavor seasoning in the entire world. And it's perfectly harmless. Well, it may raise your cholesterol, but for the most part, you understand it's not explosive like sodium. It's not poisonous in a gas like chlorine. So again, once the elements combine, they create new properties of just that unique compound. A molecule is a lot like an atom. If you recall, atoms are the smallest you can get for an element. Well, a molecule is the smallest you can get for a chemical compound. So a molecule is the smallest chemical unit of a compound. For example, water. The smallest molecule of water has 2 hydrogens combined with 1 oxygen. But you can have a whole gallon of water, which is a whole lot of water. And that's it. That's all there is to know about chemical compounds and molecules.